We're in a Toyota Venza that has a brake pulsation that's being felt every time the brakes are pressed. Customer states that when the vehicle is shaking, that it's the whole car and not the steering wheel. That's a clear indication that it's going to be a problem in the rear. We just removed the wheel. This is not a for sure test, but this is a pretty goddamn good one. So if you look at the discoloration in the rotor, as you see as we rotate, you can see where the warpage is actually at. If you don't have a dial indicator to check it correctly, you can see just from looking at it where the shaking is coming from. You could also put a lug nut on here, make sure it's tightened down correctly to the right torque, and turn it as well. And if you hear the same kind of sound of like an out of round rotational sound, every other second it's hitting and not hitting and hitting and not hitting, goes to tell you that the surface is not flat, and that'll be the cause of where your pulsation is coming from. The best way would be to put a dial indicator with a magnet somewhere on here and have it take a reading off of this as you rotate it, and watch the dial to see if it moves. But if you don't have a dial indicator with you, this is a quick check on how to check for brake pedal pulsation problems on your